the perfect ride request. Is it possible? Let's discuss. Now first off, I'll preempt the negative commenters that will say the perfect ride for them is not to give a ride at all. There you are, I saved you some time. But for those of us that are still driving, I'll discuss what the perfect ride for me here in Minnesota would look like. And the perfect ride that I'm going to discuss is a ride that I believe could reasonably happen at any time during any day. So yes, there could be a better request, a request that's going to pay more or be a longer distance. But again, the perfect ride that I'm going to discuss is one that I believe could reasonably happen any time of any day. Okay, so again, here in Minnesota, we have guaranteed rates during period 3 when transporting a passenger. So we're paid for every minute and every mile of every single ride. Now the perfect request would come in almost immediately after dropping off my previous passenger, and the pickup location would be exactly where I dropped that passenger off. And that pickup location would also be right off the freeway, conveniently right off the freeway. Oftentimes these shared drop-off and pickup locations for requests will happen on back-to-back requests, but I prefer it to be a standalone request, not a back-to-back request, so I don't have to be looking at that information while I'm giving my current ride. I can focus solely on that upfront information. Now again, we're paid guaranteed rates during period 3 when transporting a passenger, but we're not paid guaranteed rates during period 2, that pickup distance. So since this pickup location would be where I dropped off my previous passenger, there would be almost zero pickup distance that I would have to worry about. Also, the pickup location would be at like an apartment or a business with a parking lot where I don't have to worry about traffic. I don't have to be on a busy street like downtown where I have to worry about blocking traffic behind me. And as far as the rider, they would of course be a 5-star rider, and they would be on the curb immediately when I arrive. Now as far as the on-trip distance of the ride itself, I've found here that in Minnesota about 30 miles is the sweet spot. 30 miles is usually the longest distance that I'm willing to go, where it keeps me in the metro area and I'm not being stranded in a rural area. And also the drop-off location, just like the pickup location, would be conveniently located right off the freeway. So a 30-mile trip should take me about 30 minutes, very efficient. Now as far as the tone of the actual ride itself, since the passenger is a 5-star rider, they're already on the curb when I arrive, I'm already in a good mood, it's already a great start to the ride. And then the ride itself, silence is fine. I drive all the time with my left earbud in so I can listen to podcasts or music if I'd like to, so I can occupy my time on these long trips with that. But ideally I've found when the passenger actually wants to engage in conversation, those are the best rides and they go the fastest. So if we had some like interests and we can engage in conversation for the majority of the ride, that would be ideal. And of course, since those pickup and drop off locations are right off the freeway, most of the mileage would be on the freeway and traffic would be free flowing. There would be no stoppages. And the drop off location itself will be another convenient location where I don't have to worry about blocking traffic behind me. And when I drop the passenger off, we would exchange pleasantries and they would actually give me a 20% cash tip. 30-mile, 30-minute ride with our guaranteed rates here in Minnesota would pay me about $47, so that cash tip would be $10. And again, that 30-mile ride is a long ride, but I'm dropping off in the metro area, so my next request should come shortly thereafter. So that would be my perfect ride here in Minnesota with our guaranteed rate structure. Obviously, in other markets that don't have guaranteed rates, I believe the perfect ride for you would probably share a lot of these same characteristics, but you'd want that upfront fare to pay you really well. But what about all of you? What do you think of my perfect ride? What would a perfect ride look like for you? Leave a comment below and let us know. And I have found that occasionally the stars will align and requests like these will come in, and every time they come in, I'm very happy. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on how I accept or decline requests within just 3 seconds, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.